Good morning, friends. So, you can see in the morning, my daughter Subhasri is giving water to the plant. It's a very, very effective habit, very good engagement for the children. I have gifted her this rooftop garden. I have given her training of giving water and how to nourish the tender plants, just to you can say how to clear the unwanted grass from the plants bed. And so she's enjoying. She is now giving her CBSE class 10 board examination, which is just started on 27th of this month. So she's giving water in such a way so that in the summer time, this is a huge summer here this year, the temperature is soaring up to 44 sometime here. So in this summer, it is required to give water 2 times. So in the evening time and in the morning time. So that the plants will not lose their life. And you can see how nicely the chili plants are bringing the flowers. So it will be yielding heavily. So now she has examination, but she is enjoying her time with the plants. So children are very, I know that, very good in all aspect, right? So we have to give them good engagement activity. I have made a routine for my daughter Subhasri. In the morning, she will get up early and she will study little. Then she will do yoga and pranayam. After that little exercise, then she will come on the rooftop to walk little bit, and then she will help me in the gardening. So it's a good habit for children and for adults, for everyone. So plants are our friends. I could remember my time in the village in 1985 when I completed my matriculation examination. I started staying in the village. My father had lot of cultivation land, and he told, so at least you should know cultivation, the basic of cultivation, so that if you do not get much education or do not get a job, so at least you can manage your livelihood in cultivation. So by the time I was only 16 years old, it's a youth, or you can say a adolescent. So I was thinking it is an extra burden for me, because I wanted to pass my time in playing with my friends. But my father, every day, he took me to the paddy field, to the garden, to the fisheries place, and he gave me good training. How can I pass my time with the plants? And you will not believe, in 2-3 months, I got such interest. I gathered such attitude towards the plants, towards the vegetables, towards the crops. I could enjoy my time so nicely and so effectively and the whole year I was there in 1985. So I was going to college, my plus 2 classes. I was attending college from the home, and every day my time was passing with the college, the plants, the cattle, the cows, the bullocks, the calves. So my duty was in the morning to take care of the calves, the cows, to clean their cow shed with my father, and to give them food, and to my father would milk the cows. So extremely proteinous, right? Cow milk is very, very good in all kind of vitamins, proteins, calcium, protein, and everything. So that is the condition of time. The time was excellent time. So my time passed in that way up to that when I completed my plus 2 classes. Thank you.